Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. It's Vlogtober, and today is my first day vlogging. I'm gonna try to vlog every day. My name is Priscilla. Priscilla Die. If you're new here, I just started a couple months ago, and I'm here to show y'all another cleaning video. And I'm also cooking, so you'll see that too. So let's get to it. Let me show y'all how my bedroom looks. Sorry. Um, y'all see. Okay, here we go. I'm folding clothes. I'm cleaning my closet out. I just cleaned my closet out. I had my TV up there because I had an extra TV. So I put the shoes up there instead. And I still got a lot to do, so the Steelers, of course, Rosenberger. And I still got a lot of stuff in here to sort through. My husband's clothes, my clothes, the bins of shoes. They were worse than this, y'all. I done got some of it together. So, then I gotta do my curtains. I hate these white curtain rods. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. Paper towel, put up. But anyway, let's get to cleaning. I done cleaned my kitchen already because I was cooking. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm cooking in a few minutes once I get this bedroom clean. So let's get to it, guys. Trying to make sure y'all up high enough. I'm drinking water. I had noodles with chicken, just baked chicken. And I'm drinking a protein drink. It's the caramel salty caramel popcorn. And I got plenty of water in here. I'm trying to lose a couple pounds, guys. Let's get back to it. I got a lot of clothes to fold up. I'm watching General Hospital, something I ain't watched in years. Do anybody still watch General Hospital? I need y'all to get me to 1,000 viewers.
What are you doing? Seriously?
I'm gonna vlog all October. I'm trying to get more income. I babysit on my days off. And I work for a child care center too, also. But it still ain't enough for like gas and grocery. My husband worked too, so we had to go half. I just got a car, so that's why. We had to go half on bills, and sometimes leave us a scrape.